Okay, we're going to take a look at how we create an equation, an exponential equation, if we've got a combination of transformations like up and down, right and left, and so on. So we're going to start this little sheet here, and we're going to, hang on a second to my pen. We're going to just sort of look at, look where the asymptote is, and we'll work from there. So first of all, you ask yourself, where's the asymptote? Has it moved? So you've got two issues. If it's yes, then we do a whole bunch of things different. If it's no, then we know there's only been a horizontal move, right? We know that it's only been moved right or left. It hasn't been moved up and down. So if it's only been moved right or left, then the thing that we know is, we know that basically this is all that's been applied to the basic equation, x plus some number, right? Because that's what moves the graph right and left. So we're going to deal with just that part of the equation. So what you do basically is you find your point 0, 1, right? And if the graph has been moved right or left, obviously 0, 1 is no longer a point in that graph. And then what you do is you go either to the right or to the left, wherever that point has moved to, right? It could be in any direction, right or left, from 0, 1. But if it's not been moved up or down, then it's just going to be either directly to the right or directly to the left of 0, 1. So that's 0, 1. And this thing has moved left 2, which is negative 2. Okay, so how far has it moved? Well, it's moved negative 2. And then define the base. So what we have now is we have the equation that is y is equal to some base number and x. Now remember, when you have a shift that's horizontal, so it's left 2, then it's always going to be the opposite. So that's how much of the equation that we have. Now we got to find a. So the way to find a is to just get a point, right? Let's get a point. 0, 4. There it is. There's a good point right there, 0, 4. So let's use that, 0, 4. So all we do is we stuff that in. So 4 is equal to a, and then on the, we've got 0, basically, plus 2. So that's going to be 4 is equal to a squared. Now, we just guess and check that. We know that that's going to a is 2. And that's how we get the base. So the equation here is y is equal to base is 2, and the shift has been to the left 2. There's the equation.